Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? So, what's the next target of Digibyte in upcoming days? Digibyte going up or fails down? I told you, my friend, and this video with the technical analysis proof, my friend. So, let's get started the Digibyte prediction, my friend. But before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, to please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome. Please subscribe. Click the red button for subscribe and press bell icon. Press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my friend, and don't forget to like this video, my friend. If you can see here, this is the last 7 days chart, my friend, and you can see here this chain occurred as minus 16.83% falls down. So exactly, this is very bad change occurred, my friend, in the last 7 days. But everybody knows this, the crypto market very badly falls down, especially in this month. Exactly, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the crypto the latest price, my friend, of Digibyte, my friend, this time is very low, my friend, decreasing now day by day, hour by hour. But I hope in upcoming days they're moving up. Absolutely. Let's get started, my friend. The prediction, you can see here, my friend. First of all, I draw a line, my friend. This time you can see here they touch, my friends, the highest and lowest point. You can see here the first line is touch highest point, and the second is touch lowest price, lowest points, my friend. This time, if you can see here, after a failure they take a jump, my friend. In this circulation they're moving up. You can see here this is the circulation of this coin, my friend. So you can see here they going straightly, small jumps and dumps. Absolutely, they take, but going in the straightly, my friend. This time, if you can see here, they more badly falls down. Exactly, my friend. If you can see here, they go on this circulation. Exactly, you are right, my friend. They cannot go up. They just moving day by day and falls down, my friend. But let's see, my friend, in the last 1 hour of your chart, my friend, they tell you to in upcoming days they're moving up or they falls down, my friend. This is very important. Kindly don't skip any second of this video. Okay, my friend. This time, if you can see here, oh my goodness, this time you can see here they last 1 hour minus 0.76% they falls down in the last 1 hour, my friend. You can see here, and the price is also very badly decreased from 0.112 to 0.09 US dollar, my friend. So very badly, my friend, falls down. You can see here in the charts they take a very high jump, but I can't believe it. So how is it possible today falls down very highly, my friend? But I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon. Please hold it. Don't sell it. Upcoming time they're going like a rocket. Please hold it. Okay. And my friends, please, the giveaway of Digibyte is coming soon. So you wait for this. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 10,000 subscribe. Then I make a special video for Digibyte. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.